from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to help take the fear out of doing curves for you. I know they can be scary. It took a lot of convincing from Victoria Finley Wolf for me to even try a double wedding ring. I was so scared of curves, but they're really not that hard. So let's get started and I'll show you how. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To do curve piecing, I'm going to start with two 6.5-inch squares. I'm using Fawns and Porter's Love of Quilting curve seam template set. You can also use the templates that are in my Just Desserts pattern. They're very similar. So we're going to take one, and this is going to be for our crust of our pie. So this is our background. We're going to cut that around the edge here. Then for our pie, we're going to take the gray and we're going to cut around the edge here. And then I just find the center of both of these. And I'm just going to line those up and take a pin and pin that center right there. And then I'm going to take that to my machine. At my machine, I'm just going to line up these two edges, set a pin right there, and do that on the opposite side. So we're lining up our edges here and we found our middle. So you're going to want this bottom edge to be flush. This up here doesn't matter so much, but that bottom edge is important to be flush. And then we're going to set that under the presser foot. And we're going to take a few stitches. Let's take our pin out. And we're just going to ease these edges as we sew along them. So just making sure this edge here. And just adjust every few stitches. Take our pin out and just continue lining that up as you stitch around. Remember, you do want this edge to be flush. And then you can just take this to your ironing board and just press that toward the crust of your pie. And that's it. Easy peasy curved seams. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.